Good morning, students. Welcome back to the third video on the chapter number 4 from your textbook Beehive for Standard 9th. That is A Truly Beautiful Mind, which is a biographical sketch of the life of Albert Einstein. Now, the next paragraph, it deals with his receiving Nobel Prize. Einstein's new chapter brought him world fame. In 1915, he had published his general theory of relativity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 proved its accuracy. The newspaper called his work as a scientific revolution. He received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He receives honors and invitations from all over the world after that. He had proved that nothing is absolute and everything was related to each other, right? Time, distance, they're supposed to be fixed, they cannot be changed, but they can also change. He proved that they are also dependent on other factors. And his theory was a revolution in science. All the theories of Newton were flawed, and now he became the new father of physics. Then his emigration to US. The Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933. Einstein emigrated to the United States 5 years later. Nuclear fission was discovered by the Nazis in Berlin. It upset the American physicists. They were afraid that Nazis would build and use an atomic bomb. Right, now this is a very important aspect. When Nazis came to power in 1933, Einstein had emigrated to USA. What was the reason? Nazis were anti-Jewish, and Einstein, being a Jew and above all a scientist, his life was at risk. So he with his family emigrated to United States of America. In 1938, the Germans were successful in the fission of the nucleus of an atom. Now, all the scientists all over the world, particularly in America, were upset. They realized that now Germany was capable of building an atomic bomb. And with Nazis having that atomic bomb, who were considered a threat to the humanity, the entire world was at risk. So Einstein's letter to the President of USA. So what Einstein, being an aware person, an enlightened person, he immediately wrote a letter to the President of United States of America. Einstein wrote a letter to American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on August 2, 1939. In it, he warned that a single bomb of this type might destroy the whole part. It bore fruit. The letter bore fruit. Actually, when he warned them, the letter had its result, but the result was not the desired one, but the opposite one. Here you can see the bombings in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The images have been provided here. The Americans developed an atomic bomb in secret. They dropped it on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. The way Einstein had described the amount of destruction the bomb can cause inspired the Americans to develop an atomic bomb by themselves. And not only developed one, they also used it. They dropped it on Japan, the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, on August 1945, which marked the end of the World War. And both the cities were absolutely destroyed. So Einstein worked for peace and democracy. After that, Einstein devoted his entire life working for peace and democracy. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of destruction. This time, he wrote a public letter to the United Nations. In it, he proposed the formation of world government, but this did not prove effective. Einstein, in the next decade, involved himself in politics. He wanted to bring an end to arms buildup. He worked for peace and democracy. So he went all over the world campaigning for disarmament, countries to give up arms. And he also wanted a world democracy where there should be a single world leader, one ruler. Thereby, the entire world would be like a single brotherhood. He had that dream and he worked for it for 10 years. It seems impossible theoretically, but he worked for it. That justifies how beautiful his thought processes were. Now the biography ends with the death of Einstein. Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76. He was celebrated, he is still celebrated as a visionary and a world citizen. So, thanks for watching. I will come back with the fourth and final video very soon. Till then, all of you stay safe, take care of yourselves and study hard.